What's up, guys? Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today, what we've got going on is something that's needed done for a very long time, but I've just never done it. We are on some new ISR performance toe arms on the S14. Because if you check this out, that one is most certainly been bent, I believe, since the day I bought the car, about 3 years ago. And I've been driving it ever since this way, and it really just hasn't bothered me enough to change it, but it does hook to the right, and I haven't been able to fix that issue. So this is like the last piece of the puzzle. So we're gonna give her hell, put it on. It's gonna be pretty simple. It's really only 2 bolts, 1, 2. 1, 2 on the old ones, put them up. And then it's going for an alignment tomorrow. So we can make it to an event this weekend. Nothing much has changed. Nothing much has changed. Alright.
Just our clothes.
Just our clothes.
Alright, so to test to make sure that it's sturdy, we have Tom getting his pump on.
Jim's close. See if she ain't gonna move?
She ain't going nowhere.
Put that up there just for safe measure. Alright. So big. Oh, fuck. Okay, so to do this, we have to we have to take the coilover off. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Because the bolts are in backwards. Because
You're dumbass.
no. Because the nuts were too thick to clearance between the toe arm and the coilover. So
Motherfuck.
we're gonna have to take this off. We're gonna have to take this off, and this off, and that's it. That's all. So we'll just
Pretty much a 5-minute job just turned into a fucking hour-long job.
It's okay.
That's okay.
So this is sturdy. I guess fucking take this out. And we may as well just start over here. Push it over there because I can get to it. Hold on. Set him on a step. Somebody comes down and they can go for a ride.
Yeah. Sorry,
On the next episode, we change brake pads. On our next episode, we change brake pads.
On the next episode, we rush out the yard.
We go where?
We go to the yard because somebody just ate shit down the steps.
Yeah. Alright, we will do the side. Alright, first things first, we're gonna take this off so it's a 19. I already broke it loose.
Do you care if I fucking do?
I'm gonna pop that off, and then that'll expose this, and that's all we needed. We'll jack this back up, and it'll be good to go. What are you saying?
I'm gonna take this one, cool.
Yeah, go for it.
It's a 19 and a 17.
That's what I'm
Yeah. Where's the swivel?
Over here. Underneath the car. That might be.
Hold up. Won't fit. I think I need to do these next.
Bushings?
Yeah.
They look short.
Uh-huh. What'd you say?
I said when I get one side, you get the other side. We're starting to get fucking shit done quick.
Yeah, so we got them both out on both sides. It was pretty simple. We did not have to remove the exhaust. As you can see here, it's still attached. Just put a little leverage on it, you know, got her down. So let's go up here.
Here's the new ones right here.
Wait, I just want to put them side by side. Where's the old one? So here's a new one. Okay, so as you can see, here's your sign. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this loose and break this loose, and I'm going to match both of the new ones up so that the alignment should be close, but it's going for an alignment tomorrow, like we said, so it won't really matter. But here we go. All right, so I've got my side in, and Cory is getting his side done. Literally took us no time at all. We're just gonna bolt that back up, the coil over to the knuckle, and put the wheels back on. Cool.
Bro, you're recording 6 minutes of the ground.
Well, since you've enjoyed the ground view, we're done.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching Tom and I install the tow arms into the S14, make sure to smash that like button, that subscribe button, hit that wee little bell. Shout out to ISR, shout out to Njuku. Stay tuned for more.
We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Have a good one.